Do you want to know how you can download and install Remitly on your iOS device? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download and install Remitly on your iOS device. Go ahead and open App Store on your device. Then go to the search bar and then search for Remitly. After you search for Remitly, you can see that it will be shown on your screen. Go ahead and click Get and authenticate your Apple ID. After it is done, you can notice that Remitly will be soon downloaded on your device. After it has been downloaded, it will be installed, and then you can use it to transfer money abroad quite easily. So guys, this is how you download and install Remitly on your iOS device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.